Welcome back guys, and this video is related to Gmail security. Means your Gmail ID is safe or not, means your Gmail ID is being used by anybody else or not. How can you find it out in a very simple way? So I would like to tell you that trick in this tutorial. So guys, welcome back in my channel, and if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, just going straight to the topic. If your Gmail is being used by anybody else, then how can you find it out? Just go to the Chrome. Here Chrome I have already opened, so I will close all the things and then go to the new tab and sign it into Gmail through Chrome. So write Gmail here. Now go to the sign into the Gmail. Sign in. Now the mails will open, but we are not wanting this type of screen. We are wanting the desktop mode of Gmail for our purpose. So what will we do now? Just here 3 horizontal lines are there, just tap on there. Now it will ask that this screen will come, and here in the bottom of right bottom small desktop is written. If you press this, in some mobile it will go to the HTML version of Gmail, and in some mobile it will ask that I would like to use HTML Gmails, and then tap. As soon as we'll tap on desktop, this is opening. See what happening? Gmail has been opened, and it has not asked in my mobile, but in some mobile it can ask that I would like to use Gmail, HTML Gmail. So you have to select that, and then this screen will come, and in the bottom of this screen you see the details is there. So just tap on the details, and this screen is that screen for which we have done all the things. In this screen you can see that your Gmail is used by which device, and what was the location and IP address of that device, and what was the date and time when your Gmail is being used on that devices. So if that devices and locations are being used by you for opening the Gmail, you are safe. But if you are not that one, then you should be worried. You need to think, you need to change your passwords. So this is the simple trick by which you can know that your Gmail is not being used by anybody else except you. So this was all I wanted to tell you. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Please share it on social media platforms so that your friends may also get benefited. Thank you very much guys.